Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. There is no such a thing as intro in this video. We're jumping straight to prepping balloons for 2 installations that I did in one day. It was tough, let me tell you. I started prepping balloons the night before of events. First event is a baby shower, and the second installation that I made was for my sister-in-law's birthday. As you can tell, I am working with a neutral color palette. This is my first installation of the day, baby shower. I used Qualitix blush white and mocha brown balloons. First thing I wanted to construct is the hot air balloon for the bear to hold. Very simple construction. I was tying clusters of balloons together by the necks of balloons from clusters. I would stop once in a while to check on the shape of the construction. I needed this to be as round as possible so it would look like a round hot air balloon. I am packing balloons into 2 different bags. I wanted to keep my hot air balloon in smaller clusters of balloons in one bag and bigger clusters in a totally separate bag. There is a reason for it. I didn't want smaller balloons mixed up with clusters. A lot of the times when you pull out a bigger cluster, smaller balloons will static and follow the bigger cluster outside the bag and just fly away. I wanted to avoid that, so that's why 2 bags. I had a little bit of a time before I had to leave for my first installation and started pre-inflating balloons for second installation. Time to load. We had to use my husband's work van and I used my car as well. We arrived to a baby shower location. This is where I will be installing my balloons. I worked with Willow Weddings on this event.
Weddings, ladies, check them out on Instagram. If you're local, reach out. They're your people.
To attach my hot air balloon, I couldn't use command hooks because arches were made out of plywood. Command hooks and plywood, they just don't go together. I simply pushed balloons on top of the arch so the arch would go between balloons. And for extra security, I put fishing line through balloons and tied 2 door hinges that were holding arches together. I attached my ribbons with glue dashes, took a needle with the pearl on top, and pinned those ribbons to the bear's paw. Time to construct our balloon garland. I took clusters of balloons, reached inside, and found longest and stretchiest necks of balloons. Took those necks and tied them together. I tied clusters of balloons together until I was happy with the length of my balloon garland. I attached the balloon garland with fishing line to a chair, door hinges that were holding arches together, anywhere where I could secure my balloon garland. Once the base was securely attached, I started adding extra clusters of balloons to give my balloon garland more volume and unique shape. To attach extra clusters of balloons, I used necks from the clusters of balloons, 260s balloons, and rubber bands. At this point, I was almost done building this balloon garland. I started adding 5-inch balloons for more dimension and inflated more balloons to build up one spot on my balloon garland at the very top. I didn't like how flat it was, and I'm so happy that I added more balloons. That one spot that needed white balloons, now it's perfect. Also added extra balloons at the very bottom to complement this glass box. Spot number 2. Right after baby shower's installation, I came to my sister-in-law's house and started working on her installation. I am using rubber bands, necks of balloons, 260s to construct this whole thing.
This is the birthday girl.
Okay, really nice.
Yes. Hi, Henry.
Hi.
Hi, Lichka. Hi.
No!
This floral bush is everything. I lost a few balloons because they had roses planted there as well. I tried to make balloons look like they're falling into a pond and cascading down. I think I did pretty good. Adding more balloons into the bush, I'm securing them with a fishing line and straight to branches of this bush. This part of their pond area looked a little bare, so I decided to add, you guessed it right, more balloons. Inflated more balloons to cover the water just a bit. Off camera, we added candles and up lighting. Can you tell this is my sister-in-law's favorite color? I'm pretty sure you can.
Happy birthday, dear Alicia. Happy birthday to you.
Sweet. Can I blow one? Mom, can I blow one?
Садись. Всего 30.